Hi guys, welcome to RJ Fashion Haul. How are you guys? I'm good. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, this video is all about Agromech home store. It is in KPHP opposite to JNTU. I'll give the address in the description box. So if you wish, you can check it. And this is the entrance of the store. All these are brass idols, and few products are based on weight, and a few are piece wise price are mentioned. So these all are brass idols. They had brass idols, crockery items, electric kitchen items, so many products in only one store. I thought I have to make a video. So all these are also puja related products, and yeah, these are some timepieces, and these are some decorative items. And yeah, I love the flowers a lot. They had a huge collection of flowers, and by the way, the collection will changes accordingly. So few products may be out of stock, and they will restock other products. Here you can find a huge products. I mean, you can find all the items for kitchen, puja, and different kind of materials also available here. I mean, glass items and dinner sets, glass jars, and brass items, and so many kind you can find here. I thought this is a one-stop shopping, so I thought I have to make a video, and this will be definitely useful because we can't go some other stores to find some other things. So this is the only place you can get all the products, and the prices also not that much of heavy. I think they are some affordable cost. And in puja section they had a wide variety of products, so I bought so many products here. So I'll make another video and I'll show all the products which I bought. All these are gunmetal products, and they had crockery items also. They had a huge collection of crockery items, jugs, bowls, dinner sets, and all these are glass jugs. Yeah. All these are dinner sets. They had different types of dinner sets with different price ranges, and all these are plates, tiffin plates, small plates, dinner plates, and bowls from small size to bigger size. And I love so many products in this stall, and this bowl is of cost 200 rupees. And all these are cookers, electric cookers, mixies, and ovens, pans. There are so many products which you use in kitchen items. Yeah, all these are ovens. You can find different brand of ovens here in this store. Yeah, and they had different price range also. If anyone wants, so they can visit the store. Yeah, all these are of pans and cookers and all these things, and these are of some decorative items. And in coming to non-stick section, they had so much of collection in non-stick section. They had different brands and different capacities and different collection. They had non-stick pans, saucy pans, and biryani pots. They had different brands also. And this one, I love so many things. This is of biryani pots of I think Prestige brand. Yeah, these of another brand. Yeah, all these are pressure cookers, and all these are glass section. They had different shapes, different sizes, and different price ranges also. Yeah, you can see different products in one store. And coming to this section, this is of aluminium and all kitchen items. They are based on weight. So per kg 200 rupees, per kg 300 rupees. Yeah, this is per kg 300 rupees. So you have to take the products with on weight basis. Yeah, they had small thing to bigger ones also. The quality is nice. I brought so many products here, and all these are of kitchen storage items. They had steel storage items and glass items and plastic also available. Plastic storage bottles also available in this store. And by the way, this is not at all a sponsored video. I thought this video will be very helpful because you can get all the products only at one place. So I thought I have to make a video. And all these are iron tawas and iron bandis. They had, I think, iron and brass products also available. Brass bandis also available. And all these are lunch box. These of a steel lunch box. And they had other type of lunch boxes also available here. They had 2 set of lunch box, 3 set of lunch box, and they had, I think, branded lunch box also available, Milton and other kind of lunch box. Yeah, that's it for today video, guys. I think this video is very informative and very useful. They had another store also in City Mall. They cope up with Kitchen Hub, I'm not sure, but these also Agromech branch in City Mall. The name is Kitchen Hub. You wish you can visit both the stores. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you'll definitely enjoy this video. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.